I hate this messy corner, and I'm done with putting up with it. So therefore, let's do something about it. The idea is to put a simple shelving unit with a door just on this column. Of course, the color is going to match. It's going to be green with a knob or some sort of pull in that brassy gold color. I'm fully expecting to run into problems because, as with every project, nothing is straight, nothing has a 90-degree angle here, but that's a future Anya problem. So I couldn't find a proper guide to help me draw these placements. So I just got this instead, and I'll just mark them one by one and then drill them out to hold my shelves. I am feeling incredibly stupid right now because the entire time the holes that I'm drilling are tearing out, and I, for the life of me, can't figure out why. That's because I'm a dum-dum and I have forgotten that when you want to drill pine, you have to do it at a high speed and mild drilling pressure. So let me show you the difference. Here you can see all the holes that I've been drilling so far. And then I remembered what I did wrong, and all of a sudden, look at that difference. So yes, when drilling pine, do it at a high speed and low drilling pressure. And there you have it. An actually clean hole. Wish I had remembered that sooner. After I made a dog's dinner of things yesterday with spilling paint everywhere, I am now ready to move on to the next step, which is to assemble this. I have already tested this out. I'm going to glue this up, clamp it a little bit, and then drill in my screws. A little tip, if you want better success and your screws not wobbling around while you're drilling them in, let your glue set a bit before you do that. Let's get to it. These clamps are ultra hard, so I like to clamp them with another clamp. Okay, we've given this a few minutes, so let's try this. Okay, no screw is peeking out, that's a good sign. And we have a frame. Now what's missing is I'm going to add some base layer so that when I have the door is not going to drag on the ground, and then obviously my shelves, and then we're nearly done. Okay, time to cut some shelves. First shelf is cut out, and I love the two-tonality. It looks so cute. Now let's cut out a few more. And we're done. I've also cut the bottom piece that I'm going to glue here. That is going to be right here. Bob, my lovely assistant, has also watched me do everything, and he approves, I hope. Or at least I'm assuming, because he stuck around. A little bonus tip, since I still have to paint this to match, I added some glue on the sides. That way my paint cannot endlessly penetrate and I have a better coverage. So let's do that. And as always, I have my trusted silicone, well, baker's tool. Now that we have attached our bottom base, all that's left to do is make the door. not too bad, is it?
Yep.
No screw came out, which is nice. Okay, now I'm gonna do the thing after you got rid of the speeder man.